Good morning and good morning. It's a bright and cloudy day today in Tangiers, Morocco. Last night I went out for dinner and I met these lovely ladies.
I'm Hadley.
I'm Addie.
I'm Melissa.
You're our tour guide for the day. We're gonna venture around, see where the day takes us.
Let's go. I'm gonna just check the view from up here. Tell me what you can see.
Does this place have a name?
This is the entrance to the Mediterranean. I don't know if you can see it. It's a bit cloudy today. You can see Gibraltar. You can see it. You hear the birds and full asleep. We're here on the top of the cliffs in Hafa Gardens in Tangiers. It's a lovely day today. Here everyone looks after the cats. They feed the restaurants, they give the food to them. I've got some scraps in the fridge, so if you want,
We can feed them, yeah. I would say in the US, definitely not as welcoming and friendly to pets. It's more of a personal thing. Like, I'd say it's varied. I mean, pets are common, but like, I don't think strays would survive like how they could here, at least not healthily. People would probably just abuse them.
I'm gonna say in Amazigh civilization, it was like before there was a city called Tangiers, and Tangiers it's Tangier now. So Tangier is like very, very old. Morocco also is very old. But at the time, Morocco was colonized by Spain and France. Spain was in the north and the south of Morocco, and France was in the middle of Morocco. And after it was Tangier was like international zone.
Today's Friday. That's the Imam from the Masjid. He's reciting the Quran. Christianity and Islam, it's the same religion. Islam came after.
To the mosque, I used my shirt as a head covering. Yes, we're improvising because I don't have a scarf yet. Very excited to experience it for the first time.
They helped us in there. We want to say thank you.
Okay.
They're very lovely.
Shukran.
Girls. Yeah, shukran.
We just finished praying in the masjid. Quite busy. People coming out from the masjid. This is the main masjid in Tangiers. I've got some newly converted Muslims.
Yes, I think you have converted us.
Really?
No.
I feel blessed.
But I really admire the religion. It was very beautiful, the experience. And those girls right there, they were the sweetest. They were guiding us the whole time.
Yes.
They gave us the stone. And what does the stone represent?
Which stone?
There's a stone. I don't know. They gave us a stone. You rub it, and then you rub it on your face for like a blessing or
I
something.
don't know about
Like,
that stone.
what does it mean? They're saying wa windward. Wa windward is what they were saying. Where you bow when you go down, and then you.
Oh, Allahu Akbar.
Oh.
No, Allahu Akbar.
What does it translate?
Allahu Akbar means God is great. It just means God is great. Yeah, God is great.
They were
Into it.
awesome. They were like
Yeah.
the best. There we met these sweet little girls for the mosque. We got a photo with them. We needed you because they were speaking French. And we didn't know. We were just like, merci. But then she was like, I love your hijab. Very nice. Yeah. It's more like reflection period. Okay.
There's a story. There's a story.
Yeah.
And usually the story is something from the Quran they take and they kind of explain it to the people. And those stories that are in the Quran, they're the same stories that are in the Bible. It's the same story. It's the same religion.
Yeah.
It's just an evolution from the Christianity to Islam. That's it. We have in the Quran a whole chapter dedicated to Jesus. So please tell us about your experience in the masjid today.
I loved it. It was definitely like an experience I will never forget. It's different from our religion, but also has similarities. Like you have the sermon and then you have the prayer. Like we don't understand the language, but even though we didn't understand it, I thought it was still beautiful. And the fact that it brings like the people here together, like a community, as a way of like reflection and unity between the people here. And we met these girls in there.
Yeah.
They're very sweet girls,
Little
probably
girls.
like ages 8 to 9, and
Yeah.
they like walked us through the whole thing. They were kind of like a little mentors throughout the entire prayer, which was really awesome. They gave us this stone, and you said you didn't even know about. Someone said you didn't know about the stone. Well, apparently there's like this. The way I interpret it is like a blessing stone because they would give it to us like you rub it, and then you after you rub it, you take your hands and you rub your face. So it was really cool that even though we didn't speak a single word because of the language barrier, they were still able to help us and share their religion with us, which was a really cool experience.
Everyone in there was so welcoming. They were like, they thanked us for being there and like having coverings and stuff, and they were
For
like
taking a
helping
part of
us
their
and
culture.
showing us. Yeah, it was a very cool experience.
After the prayer, we walked out and we got to like talk to the girls, but again, they spoke French, so with the little French we knew, we got to kind of talk to them. We got a picture with them. It was really cool getting like the full authentic like experience of the Islam religion here. So it was Awesome. I honestly thought it would have been a bit more strict, like, because we didn't have the proper hijabs like everybody else, and we might have gotten looks. But no, everyone just smiled at us, and they like thanked us, like thank you for like welcoming, joining in our culture and experiencing it, and trying your best to respect it, with our limited resources.
Would you like to wear the niqab, the whole?
Yeah, I
the
think
whole thing?
it.
Just
Yeah,
have your eyes.
every day.
Friday is a couscous day. Friday is couscous day. Couscous.
Is that like everyone here,
Everyone,
or
it's a traditional
okay?
thing, couscous. If you like couscous, today is the day to have couscous.
Okay.
If you don't speak French, you're stuck.
Yeah.
You can't get into the marketplace, employment, because you don't know the language. Now they're speaking a lot more English, French and Spanish.
Yeah.
Especially in the north. More in the south is French, the Arabic and the local dialects. It's a mixture. I don't like the fact that they don't teach Arabic as the main.
Yeah, because it's part of the culture here. So
Yes, the French colonized Morocco, and that history is still here. It's brewing. This is the main square.
Something smells sweet.